Hi guys, this is Rebecca, the Purple Rose. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to show you some jewelry that I picked up this weekend at various garage sales, estate sales, church rummage sales, etc. Please take 1 second, if you're not subscribed already, to please hit the subscribe button and the notification bell to be alerted to all my future content of hauls, vintage jewelry, all the things. So today let's start out with this. This is a shoe. And today, I got this today. This ring's going to fall right out of here. I can already tell. Let me show you the rings as well. Kind of jumping all over today. I have shown you some of these before. This one's a new one. Just a giant blue diamond. Who doesn't like that? Sort of like the Titanic, in a silver setting. This is obviously costume jewelry, but look how big it is. Big and chunky. We love it. Faceted. If you are interested in anything that you see here, please don't hesitate to send me an email to purplerosecny@gmail.com. I also do have an eBay page where I've been listing a lot of these items, and we'll list all the items eventually. And that's just eBay user, Purple Rose CNY. So please check that out if you're interested, or send me emails. Very reasonable pricing over here. Okay, you guys. So this blue ring I showed you. And then let's go back to the shoe just for a second. So I picked this up today. It's just so cute. It's a little ring stand. Obviously, you can put a bunch of different rings in here. And it's purple on one side, gold on the other, but I love it. The lady she said as soon as we pulled up, she's like, we're making deals over here. We're very reasonable, just make an offer. So basically she just gave me this for free. And then this is just another nice big ring, red plastic stone, gold setting. And this is a silver tone with sort of like a butterscotch, light caramel colored, with some open work on the side. So these are true costume and probably not actually vintage. But I just wanted to show those to you because I like the way they look in the shoe. And we'll put that aside because I just really want to focus on the items that I'm going to show you now. So first garage sale actually was the church rummage sale. And it was in kind of a small town near me, and I'm in central New York. And, church rummage sales are kind of the bomb. They are very cheap pricing, and they're always looking to sell stuff. And, of course, you're donating your money. It's going to the church, which is usually going for good, or we hope it's going for good. We had a fun time out there. It was kind of small sale, but they had some nice items. They had this bracelet. This is an abalone panel, and this, I believe, is brass. There is some sort of remnant of a sticker in here, but it doesn't say anything. But this is really nice, kind of like that pink purple color. Love that. So I got that one, and there was just, a big box full of jewelry and bracelets and necklaces. So I went to the bracelet box first. I'm gonna have trouble focusing if everything's there. So let me set it out of the way. Go on, focus. There we go. And then I saw this one right next to it. This tested barely as glass on my gem tester. It's just got this really nice opalescence to it. I thought maybe it was Bakelite. It's kind of light, but I actually really, really like how the two of them look together. So I thought that would be nice to sell these maybe as a lot, because I think that would look banging together. Anyway, there's that. And then the only necklace that I saw that was interesting was this. And I'm going to lay this down for you. I'll move the shoe out of the way here. And let me get a little closer so you can kind of see this. This is copper down here, and these are glass beads. And then these are wooden beads right here. So there's a nice mix, and this is a spring ring clasp, so I know it's a little bit older. Obviously a double strand here, and some kind of cool like autumn fall colors. the cool palette color tones. And I just want you to see, this is so neat. This is kind of like a slice of like a geode, like a rock, but it looks like almost like tree rings. I just want you to see the dimension here. So they kind of took it, they just put it on the copper, and then they wrapped the copper right around there to hold it in place. And this is definitely a chunky necklace. No signature on the back, but that's what the back looks like. Let me just lay this down so you can see it in all its finery. I just love it. That's super statement. Really, really interesting. I want to say it's 80s just because it's so big. But I just love it. And it was a really, really good deal at the sale. So that was the church sale. And then we're going to move on to, we went to a neighborhood yard sale. So, you know, all the houses throughout the neighborhood, if you wanted to participate, you could put your wares out. So we went to a bunch of them, and I picked up these items at the second place we went to. This lady was like, okay, everything's half off as soon as we pulled in the driveway. So these are on a card, Ritually You, since 1882 is what it says. Notice the price here, $11, classic pearl. These are sort of a pinkish tone. I'm not sure if that's coming across well with the lighting here, but they're pinkish tone with the outline of gold. Pierced back. There's the back of the card there. I'm not going to take them off. Classic, perfect condition, no marks on the pearl. These are faux, obviously, surgical steel post. So these are super nice. Definitely, she swung me good deals on these as well. And then apparently I was in an abalone mood today, and I saw this bracelet, and this is a silver tone inside. The other one was gold. And this is a light blue panel abalone mother of pearl bangle. Beautiful. It's nice, nice and thin. So I like that. Let me pull these out of the way. And then I saw the box, and I was like, ooh, what's in the box? What's in the box? Now, I put these in here like this so that you could already see that there was a pair of earrings in here with this necklace. But when I saw the box, the earrings were actually upside down and hooked onto the necklace. Why can't I open this? So let me show you the necklace first. This is a barrel clasp. So I wasn't too excited about this when I saw the barrel clasp, honestly. But definitely when I saw the beads, you can tell that this is real stone, natural stone gemstones. The purple is amethyst. I do not have a silver testing kit, so I'm not sure if these spacer beads are silver or they could be hematite. I'm not sure. And then the green on my gem tester, I think that it may be, it kind of went between a bunch of different things. So chrysoprase, which I'm still not sure if this qualifies as, or it may be some kind of green tourmaline. It did not go up to the jade line, but very pretty little necklace here. So we got that. And then also, like I said, these earrings were in the box and they were kind of upside down. Let me show you just one here. So, I mean, look, I thought it was an opal, right? It's got all the color flashes and white, and it's just on these little ear wires here. Let me get it nice and close for you. Okay, so you can see all the rainbow of colors in the flash. And then you turn it over and it says 925. I don't know if this lady meant to put silver earrings. Like, I was like, oh my God, what if these are real opals and silver earrings? And I literally just bought these for under $1. So I went home and I tested, and they are glass. So they are lab created opals, but wow, did they look real? And they're in silver earring backs. So score. So that was sale number 2. And then we did go to a bunch where, like, you know, it was just baby clothes or whatever. It was stuff that we weren't interested in. And then we decided to stop at one more, And I got all the things in here, which I will show you now. Of course, my man went to the table first. He always finds the good stuff. He's always like, he always seems to know where to go. So he found the jewelry table and he's over there and I'm like looking at postcards or something like totally unrelated. And he's like, hello, come over here. Look at these. So I go over and he shows me this and it's so pretty. It's just so neat. I love the big stone. I don't know what to call that when it's like, it's kind of like that rainbow effect. I don't know what that's called. And here is the back here. And I want to say that this may be silver as well. I don't know for sure. And then here's the pin. So it looks to be possibly an older style with this kind of closure, but although it does have a rollover, and a little bit of sloppiness on the back here. So I, again, don't know for sure if this is silver, but I may break down and get a silver testing kit. I haven't done that yet because I'm really opposed to scratching the jewelry up. But I'm like, I don't know, my curiosity may be killing me here. So I may end up doing it just to see. So there's that. And then we have these. Oh, you know what? Actually, I think these came from the other sale. They did. Twin pins. These are blue and white enamel feather pins with gold tone. And then here is the back of these. There is a little mark under there. It just says Taiwan. But they're really cute. Let me just do one at a time so we can get a focus in there. They're just sweet. And it's nice to have two. Because you could do like cufflinks or, you know, on lapels, you know, one on each lapel of a collared shirt. You can do anything you want. So that's that. That was actually from the second sale. So let me put that in this pile over here. And then we also found this, which I love. Obviously, you guys know I love purple. And this just beautiful purple. It is rounded cabochon with they're probably cubic zirconia or rhinestones, more likely, around the outside. Just a sweet little pin. No marks on this either. Here's the closure there. Also just the C with the rollover. But you know me in purple. It's Christmas in July. It's not July, and it's not Christmas. So here's this. Also, Sean found this too, and he was like, "Do you like this?" I said, "Of course I like this." So this is Christmas Candlestick with just a little nice rhinestone detail and some green and red enamel. No mark on the back here, but Christmas has been selling well for me on my eBay. I did just sell 3 different Christmas pins / brooches. So we'll add this one into the mix, this nice little candle. And then we've got this. I thought this was a pin when I picked it up. It's beautiful. Full pearl, rhinestone detail, gold tone. Turn it around and it is marked Roman. And this is a pendant. So it clips here and you can put it around any necklace or strand of whatever you'd like. And then it just goes right on like that. And you've got this beautiful pendant enhancer. So I love that. This is like brand new. I mean, there is nothing wrong with this. It is super shiny, very beautiful. And Roman was from, I want to say, the 80s as well. And then we have this. And this is the last item in today's little garage sale haul here. I saw the chain first, and this is a really nice, just a flat box. I want to call it a box chain, but I could be wrong here. It's like a link, flat link. And this is a lariat necklace. So it's actually one long strand. I wish this would stay focused. That comes around through the middle and then back to the other end. And this middle piece, which is, I want to say this word correctly, but I think I'm going to say it wrong. Guilloche, I gotta learn the word. Guilloche, something like that. Enamel. I want to try to get this super close so you can see what I mean. The white, the enamel, there is a pattern on it. If you can see that, it's kind of like tiny little fan marks. And that is what that means. So it's an enamel with more than just brush strokes, basically. And then this is obviously like a pink rose design. Here's the side. And so it's in there and it's just held together. There's a little push clasp and that kind of deploys when you move this up and down. So you can make this, a choker and then have nice long dangle, or you can have a little bit of a longer necklace and have this towards the end, more in the chest area. So let's do just a nice close-up of this again. This is just super beautiful. And it's very flowy. It's just, you can tell it's really nice quality. And then here's the end of that. So I love that. And let's put everything out here together. So we've got the Roman and the possible silver. And I'd love to know what your favorites are here of just my little neighborhood garage sale hauls today. I am in love with everything, of course. Otherwise, I wouldn't have gotten it. So look for these items to be listed on my eBay store. Actually, I don't really have a store. I have under 250 items, so I am technically an eBay user. So you have to look up my name, Purple Rose CNY, under eBay user instead of eBay store for now. Once I have some more items, I can possibly transfer into being a store, but not at the moment. So we have this beautiful necklace, and then we've got the brooch here, and we have these, oh my goodness, fake opal and silver earrings. And you guys, please give me a comment of what your favorite item is. Where's your favorite place to go garage sailing or estate sailing? Do you feel like you get better deals at garage sales versus at thrift stores, or do you get better deals at estate sales? What are your thoughts on this? Thank you again for all the interaction, and thank you again for subscribing. And I hope to see you on my next one. Have a great day, everybody.